So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to install third party application in TCL TV. So guys, if you want to install any third party application that you download from the browser, so guys, you need to turn on one setting before download it. First, you simply go to your in setting section of your TV. After going to the setting section, guys, here you see the option of app section. So you just move downward. In the app section, here you go and go to the option of special access. Here you see the option of security and restriction. In security and restriction, guys, here you see the option of unknown sources. Then guys, you just click it and select the application that you are using to download. If you download from the browser, so you just turn on this and then file manager, and here is your safety card. So these are the applications. So you just select the application which you are used for installing the app, and here you see install unknown apps. So this is the way that you can done. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.